Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to see how many hours you have played on Roblox. So first, open your website and log in to your Roblox account. And then after that, tap the three lines at the upper left corner. And you can see now the navigation menu and click Profile. Then in here, scroll down until you see Statistics. I haven't played on Roblox yet, so you cannot see any hours that I played on Roblox. And that's it. That's how to see how many hours you have played Roblox. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.